arithmetic progressions. So arithmetic progression is nothing but, what is meant by arithmetic progression? Can you define? In the 10th class you have learned, any one of you if you remember. If you remember arithmetic progression, what is meant by arithmetic progression? Can you define?
Sir, a sequence in which the consecutive terms differ by a common difference d.
See here, do remember, whenever you define anything in the mathematics, you are not supposed to use the terms, unknown terms, known terms to be used. ये common difference बोलो तो क्या है? दोबारा डाउट आएगा सबको. What is meant by a common difference? Most of the members will get it out now, isn't it? If you define like that. Still anyone else? Malika, Vishal, Yash, Isha. Progressions you have completed in the arithmetic progression chapter completed in 10th class also. Don't know.
Yes, sir. There would be a yes, common difference between the sequence.
That's what I'm saying. You don't use the terminology of the common difference. Common difference का common difference तो क्या है? अब बोलो. You tell me again. What is meant by common difference? What is meant?
Common.
So see here, whenever we define the definition we are giving means the terms to be, the words to be used, which are well known to us. Unknown things should not be taken into consider. Okay? So see here, I will define the sequence. बोलो तो पता है हमको. पहले sequence हम लोग means already we learned it. A list of the numbers. Otherwise, you can say the list of the numbers in which each number is obtained by adding a constant to its previous term, except the first term. That means, पहले वाला word छोड़ के remaining all the terms will be obtained by adding constant to the previous term. उसका पहले वाला से means पहले वाला we will not obtain, we will be taken. Okay, so the definition of the arithmetic progression. So please do remember the spelling. Spelling, most of the students will do the mistake. Arithmetic spelling. Arithmetic. Arithmetic बोलते हैं ना. So most of the students ऐसा लिखते हैं. RI बोल जाते हैं. Arithmetic बोलते हैं. ये लिखते हैं. But when you pronounce it arithmetic, but you write when your pronunciation inside it, you need to pronounce it as arithmetic, so that you'll write the spelling also correct. See, I'm saying outside arithmetic, but inside while writing arithmetic both down. So spelling galat nahi ho. Usually, that most of the students will do the spelling also wrong here. So to avoid that, just I'm giving one hint to you like this. So arithmetic progression. So list of the numbers. A list of the numbers in which each number is obtained, each term is obtained by adding a constant. Okay. Otherwise, you can use the sequence term also instead of the list of the numbers. Okay. List of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a constant to its previous term, except the first term. Whatever the constant we are adding, उसको common difference बोलते हैं. Whatever the constant we are adding, the constant what we add, constant what we add is called common difference. Because common difference we are going to define from the word arithmetic. The first term is A, usually general form of arithmetic progression. General form of arithmetic progression. A, and common difference is denoted by A plus D. See here, except the first term. So first term को add नहीं करना. No. We obtain बोला है ना, in which each term is obtained. So first term will not obtain. इसका meaning वही है. This doesn't mean that most of the students also will get confused. First term बोला है ना, तो except first term बोले तो first term को add नहीं करना. वो ऐसा नहीं. Each term is obtained except the first term. Yeah, we will not get this one by adding something. We will take this one. Second term will be obtained by adding constant to the first term. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Third term will be obtained by adding constant to the previous one, same constant. And a plus 3 and so on. So nth term of arithmetic progression is in the same way if you are considering, it is denoted by an, which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term of an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression में nth term. And next, sum of n terms. Sum of the n terms of arithmetic progression. So this is actually very interesting. Where there is one interesting story behind this one. Arithmetic progression. Whenever you are taking integers. What is the story? Do you know?
Yes, sir, but I forgot the scientist name, sir.
Huh? क्या है ना? Like this only in mathematics class, mathematics teacher is having one busy. Means he is busy with some other work. So he want to engage the students. So after 5th class, I think so, 5th class and 10 years old students is nothing but approximately 5th class will be there, I don't know exactly. So he has given a work to the students that add 1 to 100 numbers and tell me the answer. Usually he thinks that, and like me only, he thinks that it takes some more time. And like you people, there are very intelligent students out there in the class. So they have started doing. Once some students are 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, and other student in steps again it comes to the starting. And some students are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 10 तक लिख दिया, उसको add कर रहे, and 11 to 20 add कर रहे. But one student has taken the this sum in a different way. So what he did, he has taken the sum as a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till 100. 100 तक बोला है ना, 100 तक लिखा नहीं, उसी को रिवर्स में लिख दिया 100, 99, 98 and so on till the 1. So this is totally considered as a one sum. This is also same you are going to get. ये दोनों को add करें. If you add this one, what required sum we will need, उसको double आ जाएगा. Because 2 times we are adding. तो एक बार 1 to 100 add कर रहे, दूसरी बार 100 to 100. But what he did, he had added not like this. He added 1 को 100 को add कर दिया. So 1 and 1 हो गया. 299 को add कर 101. ये भी 101 and so on. At last 101. So this is what we need for the double. It is a double of the sum. So ये कितना बार होगा? It will be 100 times. Because 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 100 times. 100 times 101 adding is nothing but double of the sum is equals to 101 into 100. So we require the sum. So इसको half करना. इसमें half करके करना. So then he multiplied this one. Really, it is happened. And the sum he told that, sir, 5050. And teacher was surprised how it is possible. And he is none other than?
Sir Gauss.
Yes. Full name?
Sir, I forgot.
John Frederick Gauss. Yes, this I told to you. Last year I told you in the 10th class I didn't.
Yes, sir. Last year.
I asked you to search it. That's why now you are able to remember. Gas. Isn't it? Okay. So the spelling is called Frederick. Frederick Gas. So he is he is a mathematician. So he only now developed in the same pattern. He has written the first term A plus B, A plus 2D, and A plus n minus 1. At last he got the sum of the n terms as a n by 2 of 2A. So n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. It is a sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression में n terms. Actually, this is a really very vast syllabus. एक नहीं, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है. अब बात करते जाते तो it is really endless problems will be there, but very interesting problems will be there when you are seeing that. Okay, some of the n terms, and this can be written in another way. Sn is equals to same pattern में proof कर लिया तो then you are going to get it. If you want, I will explain to you the proof also. Let us see here in the same pattern. Proof: sum Sn a plus d, a plus 2d plus and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, same nth term है, sum of n terms, and इसी को रिवर्स में लिखना है, a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. इससे पहले वाला टर्म n minus 2, a plus n minus 3 into d plus and so on. Last nth term n minus 1 term, n minus 2 term, and so on. A इसको add कर 2 times of Sn. A plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d plus a plus a 2a, n minus 2 plus 1, again n minus 1 into d. So in the same way, n minus 3 plus 2, n minus 1 into d. Here also you are going to get 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is how many times? N times. 1 time, 2 times, like that, nth term, n times. So that's why n should be multiplied 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And a 2 को इधर लेके आओ. Therefore, this is 2Sn. So Sn is equals to n by 2. Is it visible to you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sum of the n terms formula. And इसी को if you want n by 2 of 2a को मैं a लिखता हूँ, and a plus a if I write. So this is a plus n minus 1 into d, last term हो. It is last term. So a plus n also you can write. So another formula, sum of the n terms formula is n by 2 of a plus n. This is sum of the n terms of the geometric progression. Sorry, arithmetic progression. समझ में आया? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here, in the same way, arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean होता है. So what is mean by arithmetic mean? If 3 terms are in arithmetic progression, the middle term is called as arithmetic mean of the remaining 2 terms. The middle term is called arithmetic mean of the remaining 2 terms. Okay? Arithmetic mean. So if a comma b comma c are in progression. B is called arithmetic mean of A comma C. And B can be expressed as A plus C by 2. How? Yeah, arithmetic.
Sir, A comma B comma C maybe arithmetic mean of. सर A comma B comma C होगा ना सर?
हाँ, A comma B comma C है ये.
No sir, next line sir. B is called arithmetic mean of A comma C.
हाँ.
सर B नहीं होगा सर वहाँ पे?
ना. ये दोनों का बीच में टर्म क्या होता है उसी को अर्थमेटिक मीन बोलते हैं. 1 कामा 5 का अर्थमेटिक मीन क्या है?
सर 3.
ये दोनों को 3 है. इसको अर्थमेटिक मीन ऑफ ये दोनों को कहते हैं.
ओके सर.
ओके, समझ में आया? एंड हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट अर्थमेटिक मीन? वो फाइंड आउट कैसे करते हैं? इफ बीच में एक टर्म मिस कर दिया, हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट दैट अर्थमेटिक मीन? दैट वी विल सी. b minus a, ये अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन करो तो ये दोनों का डिफरेंस will be equal to c minus b, isn't it? और b को
Yes sir.
ये b इधर लेके जाओ, ये उधर लेके जाओ. So b plus b is equals to c plus a. So 2b is equals to a plus c. So b is equals to a plus c by 2. So if I am asking, most of the students will do a wrong concept. Arithmetic mean of a comma b is equals to. Can you say?
A plus B by 2.
A plus
B.
b by 2 लेना है. This
Yes
is
sir.
a plus c by 2 क्या है? Arithmetic a plus b c by 2 is b, is nothing but arithmetic mean of a and c. Arithmetic mean of a and c, a plus c by 2. Arithmetic mean of a and b, if I ask you, a plus b by 2 आएगा. Arithmetic mean of 1 comma 5, if I ask you, 1 plus 5 by 2, that is equals to 3. That means if you write 1 to 5 बीच में 3 लिख दिया तो arithmetic progression बन जाएगा. This is called arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean. And there is a concept of still more extension if you take into consider, inserting arithmetic means between the two numbers. Number of arithmetic means. Suppose if you write 1 का 5 का बीच में 2 numbers if I like, right? And this should form an arithmetic progression. So this is called inserting arithmetic means. 2 means 2, 3, 4 or n arithmetic means between the two numbers. Okay, this is little bit extra concept है, that is not there in your syllabus also. Syllabus में भी नहीं है. So leisurely at last में हम लोग discuss करते हैं. So this is about the introduction about the arithmetic progression and arithmetic mean. Okay, समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.